इतिहास, शान और भव्यता का प्रतीक ताजमहल पैलेस। नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूँ फार्मासिस्ट प्रतिभा और मैं आज पहली बार ताजमहल पैलेस के अंदर जाने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए इसके मेन गेट से हम लोग अंदर चलते हैं। जैसे ही मैं अंदर आई तो मेरे सामने एक बहुत ही भव्य, दिव्य और एक शानदार सी लॉबी मेरे सामने आई, जिसके एकदम बीचों बीच एक फूल, रंग बिरंगे फूलों का गुलदस्ता रखा गया है, जो इस जगह की शान को और भी बढ़ा रहा है। इस जगह की भव्यता को शब्दों में बयां करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है। यहाँ का हर कोना अपने भीतर कहानियां समेटे हुए है। हर एक दीवार हमें बता रही है कि यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही बड़े बड़े हस्तियों के कदम यहाँ पे पड़े हुए हैं। फीलिंग सो ग्रेटफुल एंड सो अमेजिंग। तो चलिए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये है श्री जमशेदजी टाटा, एक भारत के पहले विजनरी इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट। उन्होंने एक सपना देखा और बना डाला भारत का पहला 5 स्टार होटल, ताजमहल पैलेस, मुंबई। सन 1903 में बना यह होटल उस समय की बिजली, लिफ्ट और फैंस जैसी सुविधा वाला भारत का सबसे मॉडर्न होटल बना था। यह सिर्फ एक होटल ही नहीं है, बल्कि भारत की शान और आत्मसम्मान की पहचान बन गया था। यहाँ पे सिर्फ देखिए, फिल्म स्टार शाहरुख खान, बड़े बड़े राष्ट्रपति, दुनिया के सबसे बड़े बड़े लोग, इतिहास रचने वाले लोग यहाँ पे ठहरे हुए हैं। सर बराक ओबामा, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे ठहरे हुए हैं। आज भी ये इमारत कहती है, हम भारतीय कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। श्री जमशेदजी टाटा जी को नमन। तो आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पे क्यों आई, मेरा यहाँ पे आने का उद्देश्य मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताती हूँ। चलिए अब हम जा रहे हैं होटल के उस हिस्से में जहाँ पे OSI का इनॉग्रेशन होने वाला है।
Welcome to one and all present here. I take all pleasure in welcoming our host comparer for the evening. We have with us Dr. Aditi Tandon. She is a budding OBGYN from Foxy. She practices in Mumbai and is a well-known figure in social media. May I now request Dr. Aditi Tandon to take the proceedings of the event further. Over to you, ma'am.
Dr. Aditi Tandon is an inspiring social media figure whose presence reflects wisdom, confidence, and a unique sense of style, passionately spreading awareness about women's health and pregnancy.
Just listen what.
Thank you, Pragya. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the inaugural meeting of the Osteoporosis Society of India. I am truly honored to lead this session as we embark on a journey to shine light on a condition that affects millions yet remains largely in the shadows. Well, for starters, I have a lot of bones to pick. As doctors, we understand that healthy bones involve more than just drinking milk for calcium. But does the common man really know that? Today, discussions about diabetes, hypertension, and even obesity are common, yet osteoporosis hardly gets a mention. This gap in awareness is striking and needs our focused attention. I believe that to some extent we share responsibility for this lack of conversation. However, I am genuinely optimistic that we can change that narrative. Most of us are active on social media, especially when it comes to women's health. For instance, I've made a few short videos on Instagram about osteoporosis, particularly highlighting its association with menopause, the risks of early menopause, and the critical role of weight training for women's bone health. Admittedly, this probably represents just 1% of my overall message on social media, and I suspect that might be similar for many of our peers. While topics like fertility, sexual health, PCOS, weight loss, even endometriosis are frequently discussed, conversations around osteoporosis and even menopause beyond the lens of fertility remain scarce. Well, if bones were visible on Instagram filters, maybe we'd have more awareness. Our generation has embraced digital platforms and many gynecologists are sharing vital information. I'd like to give special recognition to Dr. Nandita Palshetkar for her outstanding efforts in raising awareness on women's health online. Your work inspires many of us and sets in our field. They say that what you don't know won't hurt you unless it's osteoporosis. Then it might literally break your back. Today marks the beginning of the Osteoporosis Society of India, one of the first multidisciplinary national bodies on this condition. Osteoporosis isn't solely the realm of the orthopedicians. It is a challenge that also concerns and other specialists. This integrated approach is essential for driving forward meaningful change. A big thank you to Science Integra for their initiative in establishing this society. Their vision, coupled with our collective expertise and dedication, will pave the way for innovative. Today, as a united community spanning various specialties, we have the power to change lives. Let's embark on this journey with enthusiasm, collaboration, and a commitment to making osteoporosis not just diagnose fractures, let's prevent them with awareness, access, and a bit of bone dry humor. Thank you, and let's make a difference together. It is my privilege to invite our first speaker on stage to give the welcome address. Looking at the existing science on osteoporosis, Dr. Nandita Palshetkar. She is founder and member and medical director of Bloom IVF, renowned gynecologist and IVF specialist with 30 plus years of experience. She's helped over 25,000 couples achieve parenthood through advanced fertility treatments. She's received various awards like the Bharat Gaurav Award by House of Commons in UK, the Golden Globe Tigers Awards Malaysia, multiple Lifetime Achievement Awards from various associations. She is past president FOXI, ISAR, AMOX, IAG, and currently FOXI representative to FIBO. She is also honorary professor at T.Y. Patil, and she is a postgraduate teacher at NUHS Leelavati Hospital. She is also a great mentor to all. Welcome, madam.
Good evening, everybody. Dr. Sushil, your dream has finally come true. I think he is so dedicated in the field that he really wanted to start this society, and we worked together before. And it's something that he spoke about so passionately, and I think that's how everybody has got together over here. And so I'm really proud to announce the launch of this association. This is something which the people of our country, I talk for the women, the men of our country really need. It's a very silent but a terrible epidemic, and I think as Dr. Babakar used to always say that there are multiple faculties which are treating this. But we need something, a common consensus, a common ground where everybody can work. And I think I must thank Science Integra Subbu for actually, converting this dream into action. I think it's amazing, like-minded people have come together and it's there. So I'm really happy today to be here and working with Dr. Sushil because his passion is unparalleled. And today, a lot of my mentors are here, Dr. C.M. Puradre, Dr. P.C. Mahapatra, Dr. Saraya. I think I've worked with them. And of course, a lot of friends are also here. So let me begin by an introduction to the Osteoporosis Society. What is the existing science? What is the mission of this association? I think we all got together to advance the science, awareness and management of osteoporosis in India. And I think it's very important because we need to understand that we have disability adjusted life years. This is the study which was done, and this is the 2025 data, which actually shows that India has the highest rate, one of the 5 countries which has the highest rate of osteoporosis. So, yes, we know we all do BNB, as part of the health checkup, and a score of -2.5 and different bones are checked, and that diagnoses osteoporosis. I mean, if you look at the existence, the incidence of osteoporosis, it's 24.7%. It's very, very high. In fact, infertility is at 17.5, and WHO has flagged it off that we have to look at it. And I'm sure soon osteoporosis will also be something that WHO will look into so that it can, help and start programs. Prevalence in women was 15%, out of which 10.3 was in the postmenopausal women and 4.7 in the premenopausal women. And prevalence in men was 9.7%. So, I think looking at the challenges that we have seen, of course the screening thresholds are there. In 2025, US actually published guidelines which were not very different from the 2018, but they added a few things like clinical judgment. It's important. So highlighting the need for better risk assessment tools, especially for men and younger population. And WHO has come up with a risk score which tells you in 10 years what is the chance of your fracture. And you can go online, access the tool, and actually put in all the details. So FRAX score which is there, and secondary causes. So in younger menopausal
The official unveiling of the logo. I'd now like to request Dr. Shailesh Pitale to come on the dais to introduce the founding council members.
Good evening all. It's a great pleasure to be here for this evening, the inception of Osteoporosis Society of India.
Dr. Nandita Palshetkar, Dr. C.N. Kudandre, Dr. Dilip Tanna, Dr. Vijay Neglur, and Dr. Sushruth Babulkar for the lamp lighting and unveiling of the logo. Requesting to call evening Mohammed.
This whole event was organized by Mayor, biggest name in pharmaceutical industry.
The first one to be present in the formation of this society. Now, another thing which encouraged me, all these speakers, especially Dr. Tanna was talking about calcium, and he mentioned that when you are prescribing calcium, it has to be 1250 with elemental calcium 500. And I can proudly say that Calcimax has the same composition, and we were the pioneers in the world with this formulation. In India, it is known as Calcimax. We have the entire range. Globally, it is known as Osteocare. And Mayor Vitabiotics is the global company based out of UK. We govern around 83% of the global calcium market. So in many therapy areas, Mayor have been in the forefront, like in pregnancy management, Madam will know, in menopause management, and even in when it comes to bone health, joint health, pain management, we have given our innovative products which is backed by robust clinical trials. Yes, infertility, sure. Since today we had more of gynae and ortho and physicians, I talked more of that specialty too. But yes, madam, you are right. We have a lot of innovation and innovative products in fertility management too. But I will say, sir and madam, that this is just the beginning, and we look forward to work closely with Osteoporosis Society of India, because when it comes to osteoporosis management in terms of science, innovation, products, we are there in India as a leading player, and we commit to bringing more innovation to make the life of the patient better. At the end, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to talk, and wish all the best to OSI. Thank you.
एंड फाइनली जिस पल का मुझे बेसब्री से इंतजार था वो आखिरकार आ ही गया, यानी खाना खाने का टाइम। मैंने तो आफ्टरनून में लंच स्किप किया था क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे अच्छे से खाना खा चुकी हूँ। मैंने स्टार्टर्स बहुत एंजॉय किए, ड्रिंक्स, मेन कोर्स सब कुछ बहुत ही बढ़िया था, और खाना खाने के चक्कर में मैंने शूट बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर पाई। आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट, जोक्स अपार्ट। एंड thank you so much OSI, thank you so much Mayor Pharma, and thank you so much all our viewers family, all our subscribers for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.